Hey everyone, welcome back to Terminator Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about a classic favorite that just about every gardener has tried at least once, the Bonnie green pepper. Sweet, crisp, and versatile, this pepper is as reliable as it is tasty. Green bell peppers are actually just unripe versions of red, yellow, or orange peppers. That means if you let a Bonnie green pepper plant keep growing, those green peppers will eventually ripen into sweeter, colorful fruits. Harvesting them green just gives you that fresh, grassy flavor many of us love. Bell peppers, including Bonnie green, trace their roots back to Central and South America, where peppers have been grown for thousands of years. Spanish and Portuguese explorers helped spread them across Europe and Asia, and now they're one of the most widely grown fruits in the world. Bonnie green itself is a cultivar commonly grown in North America, known for its dependable yields and classic sweet flavor. The Bonnie green pepper plant grows upright and bushy, usually around 18 to 24 inches tall. Its fruits are large, blocky, and glossy green with thick walls that make them perfect for stuffing, slicing, or dicing. Each plant can reproduce several peppers over the season, and because the fruits are picked before ripening, you usually get a steady harvest throughout the summer. Bonnie green peppers thrive in warm, sunny conditions. Plant them in rich, well-drained soil after all danger of frost has passed, and make sure they get at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Peppers like consistent watering but don't tolerate soggy soil, so aim to keep the soil evenly moist. Adding mulch helps retain moisture and keeps the roots cool. Feeding them with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season will encourage steady fruiting. These peppers do well alongside crops like tomatoes, carrots, onions, and basil. Basil in particular is a fantastic companion and not only enhances the flavor of your dishes later on, but also helps repel pests in the garden. Avoid planting peppers near beans or brassicas, which can compete for nutrients. Bonnie green peppers are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're loaded with vitamin C, a good source of vitamin A, and packed with antioxidants that support overall health. In the kitchen, they're one of the most versatile fruits you can grow. Eat them raw in salads, slice them up for dips, roast them for a smoky flavor, or stuff them with rice, cheese, or meat for a hearty meal. They also freeze well, so you can enjoy your summer harvest throughout the winter. Bonnie green peppers are the kind of plant that rewards you again and again. Easy to grow, delicious to eat, and a staple in many recipes. Whether you're a beginner gardener or a seasoned pro, this variety is a must-have in the garden. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed learning about the Bonnie green pepper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.